This will be the tow vehicle for the custom enclosed carrier that I'm making to carry the Koenigsegg.
So, what's new?
I don't know, let's get a Sawzall.
Now you're earning the sound.
Something. Oh!
Oh my gosh, that's so loud. Randy? Oh, you got him? We got jumper cables, we're good.
Uh-oh, she's stopping, dude.
Oh. Are we about to... Are we SOL?
We are about to be... Nope, she's going to get ice
cream. Okay, well then let's leave before she gets in here.
Gotta go right now. Do you have help? Do you have jumpers?
We got jumpers.
Okay, we're on our way to go right now. Falls.
All right, gotcha.
Yeah, all right. Is he at Falls? He's at Fall. He's at I mean.
I sent you a picture of it. He's at the place you sent him, but across the street he said was more empty for him.
Where? Let me.
Ideally, I told him that if you're going to be here by like 6:30, it's going to be good, give you time to unload him and everything. But I got here earlier and I told him that I'm here. He wants to.
You gotta come way forward. There.
This is your newest purchase, yes?
It is. Let's see.
And what seems to be the issue? Hunter said something that made a lot of sense. Maybe we should use the new car.
That's possible. Yeah, do that. That sounds better, doesn't
It's a lot louder.
it? It's a lot gruntier.
Oh, I'm sure. It dumps right where you sit.
So this is my 2001 Nardo Gray Hummer H1. But before we get to that, let's get paid. Today's video is sponsored by Ridge Wallets. The Ridge is a minimal front pocket wallet that's designed to streamline what you carry every day. It has 30,000 5-star reviews and is a better way to carry your cash and cards. There's a lifetime warranty if you love it and free returns if you don't. It comes in titanium, carbon fiber, aluminum, and over a dozen different styles and colors. You already know that Ridge makes fantastic wallets, but they also make a whole line of products like duffel bags, knives, accessories. Check them out online. Ridge also carries backpacks, phone cases, keychains, and more. Get 10% off today with free worldwide shipping and returns by going to ridge.com/savage. That's ridge.com/savage and use promo code SAVAGE for the link in the description. So thank you to the Ridge for supporting our video today. Everybody who's bought one of these wonderful wallets and other products has been really happy. Go to their website, check it out, link in description below. Stay savage. So this is my 2001 Nardo Gray Hummer H1, fully custom paint job on the outside, Nardo Gray, full custom interior with Savage Garage, orange and black done with the headrest. You'll see the headrest tomorrow. But this will be the tow vehicle for the custom enclosed carrier that I'm making to carry the Koenigsegg, which will have glass plexiglass sides with curtains. So you can be able to open it up and see the Koenigsegg going down the road while it's being pulled. So that'll be interesting. Oh shit.
And what was the motivation to get one of these guys?
Wow.
Besides
it's a Hummer H1, there's no other motivation. Everybody needs a Hummer. And it's the biggest thing, it's a notchback. I mean, they're very rare to begin with, but you know, we're close.
You should be able to sort it out.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
you don't realize, like on camera, but this is a really big truck.
Yes.
It is huge.
There we go. All right, we need a battery tender.
Dude, I'm going to own one of these at one point. This is so mean looking. It looks so evil.
Color domination and the fact that it's an outback is...
This is the most, probably the most evil looking truck I've seen ever, honestly. Like, you look at it from the front, that's a proper truck.
Oh yeah.
It looks more like a monster truck than anything else, dude.
Got my dream truck and my dream car, which will be revealed soon.
Oh my gosh, this thing is huge! Did you see how much black smoke it rolled? Oh my god. Unfortunately, the camera just won't do it, but I can't believe how big this thing is. Dude, like, it's also just funny to think that this was produced for, like, this was a normal car. You could buy this in 2001. This was on the showroom floor. And comparatively to everything else on the road, it is so, it's so massive. It does not fit, I don't even think it fits in a normal parking space. Like, I don't think it does.
It's kind of funny, you know, in all honesty, it's wide, but it's not as long as you think it is. It's not like ridiculously long. It's wide, but as far as the Lambo goes, I guarantee you pull out the Lambo nose, which we will definitely do.
Yes.
The SVJ nose right to this. You're going to be surprised how wide the SVJ is, too.
Yes.
I forgot these have an option to inflate and deflate the tires from in the car.
Yes.
I forgot about that. This made me want to get one in like less than a month. One of the military issue ones I could just drive through anything.
Yes.
Anything. Just, oh cool, woods? No, that's a road. Yeah. No more comments I've ever seen you.
Oh, it's brilliant. Oh yeah. Go, do it one more time.
Proper diesel.
Oh my god. That's amazing.
Proper diesel.
Can you imagine in stop and go traffic, just every time you hit the gas?
I'm going to dump it in the light, and you're going to be like, ah.
Start in second gear and make everyone's life miserable.
This is so cool,
No,
dude.
you put it in low.
Oh yeah.
And you just put it in low and just go, and you go like 4 miles an hour, just with dumping black smoke.
I did that in my truck. I put it in third and I would turn the turbo
This
switch
thing
off.
needs 10.
Yes. Just rolling call. Oh my god.
I put it next to the Mercy. It looks so small.
Somebody wants to play!